Importing Trust Wallet to Metamask is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. So, first what you need to do is to install both applications from Play Store or App Store, Trust Wallet and Metamask. Then open Trust Wallet application, enter passcode and go to setting. From bottom right corner on the top you can see wallets. Tap on it, then tap on these three dots. My manual backup is active. Tap manual backup, then you have to enter passcode, accept terms and conditions for secret phrase. Then they will show you secret phrase. Copy that secret phrase, try to save it offline. These steps cannot be recorded with screen recorder. Do not share your phrase to anyone as this gives full access to your wallet. Next step is to open Metamask application, tap on Get Started, then tap Import using secret recovery phrase. These steps cannot be recorded because you have to pay secret phrase. In the next step, enter password and confirm your password. Password need to be at least 8 characters long, and this page will open, and this is how you can import Trust Wallet. Add a mask.